for an aluminium boat, we're really proud of what we do.
We have cranes that can lift out the chili bin for the big tunas.
Yeah, no, that's the biggest thing for me, is that we're getting bigger and better, so I can't ask for much more. No, we're not the only people that do this size of boat and detail, but we're probably the most customised in New Zealand by far. We go through quite an adventure with the owner, especially when their boats get larger. It's pretty open as to what their owner wants to achieve out of their machine. I'm Nick from Herley Boats. I'm the owner. We've been operating for nearly 10 years and we build custom alloy boats from 8 metres up to as much as the piggy bank allows.